Yes, how are you my friend? All friend, good morning.
Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Maganda.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Wala. Yes, good morning mga kasama.
Good morning.
Yes, welcome to my channel guys. This is Ojos of Caribbean Vlog. And Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Yeah, there's a sandstorm today.
In Qatar.
Yes, there's a sandstorm today in Qatar. Yes, say hi to my subscribers.
Yes, how are you my friend? All friend, good morning.
Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Maganda.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Wala. Ito na Tagalog? Okay. So, problem for you. So, sandstorm siya. May sandstorm. Actually, nag-start ang sandstorm kagabi or kaninang umaga. Wait, what time is started sandstorm? Morning time? 4 o'clock. 4 a.m. Yeah, because you need to hear in the morning. So, sandstorm. So, very good. Summer.
Yeah, sama. So bad, dangerous.
Yeah, so summer season is coming. And we are now on our fourth day. Fourth. Ay, grabe oh. Visibility of Qatar. Welcome to Qatar! Welcome to Qatar! Yes, sandstorm is real here in Doha, Qatar. Yes, guys. Yes. Ito nga, oh, see? Ayan, ito yung Tasa Park. That's the Holiday Villa. So, medyo hindi siya visible. At in some areas, maybe zero visibility. Maybe in the highways. Ayan, so, but here in, specifically in Doha, it's Sandstorm. See, oh, zero visibility there, over there. Welcome to Qatar!
Very nice.
Yes, the weather is good. Yes, sandstorm. Sandstorm in Qatar. Alright,